Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Ada Jazz. Today I'm going to teach you how to bake zucchini in the oven. What you're going to need is zucchini. For the seasoning, you'll need thyme, salt, black pepper, and you're also going to need a baking pan. My zucchini has been rinsed, cut, and sliced. Now that I have my zucchini spread out, I went ahead and I drizzled olive oil on them. I'm going to season it with black pepper, salt, and thyme. You want to pop this in the oven for 400 degrees at 25 minutes. I'll check back with you then. Onto the plate. This is what the zucchini is going to look like after it's been baking in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's brown, crusted. The flavor is phenomenal because of the seasonings I've used. Give it a try. Let me know how you like it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.